A cinematic drone shot flies over the Philadelphia skyline at dusk. Smoke rises.
All right, bring the next one in.
Wait, run the sensor over this corner again. Make sure it's stable before we clear it. For certain savory varieties, the trimmed meat is loaded into a massive vacuum tumbler. A marinade of salt and water is added.
The beef muscles are pressed into a cylindrical mold, or a rectangular box shape. This compresses the meat into a solid log.
The formed meat logs enter a cryogenic blast freezer at -40 degrees. They must be partially frozen, tempered.
The tempered meat logs are fed into the blades. The sound of rhythmic slicing fills the factory. These thin ribbons are the defining feature of a cheesesteak.
The falling slices of meat land on a conveyor that groups them into 6-ounce or 8-ounce stacks. These
The portioned meat stacks ride a spiral conveyor up into a deep freeze tower. This locks in the freshness.
The bread roll is just as important as the meat for a cheesesteak.
The dough rises in a humid room, then enters a long tunnel oven. Through the window, we see the roll.
Peeled onions pass through a chopping machine. They are diced into uniform pieces. The pungent aroma
A robot stacks cases of the frozen retail sandwiches onto a pallet. The cheesesteak is ready for the supermarket freezer.
Our logistics team ensures authentic Philly cheesesteak ingredients reach restaurants nationwide, from California to Florida.
The journey of the meat continues, from industrial processing to culinary art.
They sizzle and caramelize. The smell is intoxicating. While not made in the factory, this step is essential for the cheesesteak alongside the meat.
Using two metal spatulas, the cook aggressively chops the meat as it browns, breaking it up into loose, juicy bits.
The cook pushes the caramelized onion, the chop. The cook shapes the meat into a long pile the size of a roll. He lays slices of provolone on top. He lets it melt into the... Another order comes in, Whiz Wit.
Wow, that tastes just like the restaurant version right here at home. It is delicious.
Back at the factory, we see fat trimmings from the meat being collected. These are sent to a rendering plant to make tallow or
Wow, the spice level is perfect. I agree. This is definitely a winner for the frozen line.
The sheer volume of meat processed for cheesesteak consumption is staggering. This factory is a machine that feeds America.
Here you go, boss. Enjoy that.
Thanks, smells amazing.
A map shows the factory shipping frozen meat to Japan and Europe. The Philadelphia cheesesteak is going global.